Welcome back to Dixons Destinations. Today we are hanging out at Animal Kingdom and we are starting the day off by saying it's tough to be a bug. We made it in to the queue area of It's Tough to Be a Bug, and we've got our 3D glasses and we're going to step into the show in just a minute.
What are these humans wearing on their heads?
I made an honorary bug.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy!
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya!
Tough to Be a Bug was really fun, but we decided to come over to Pizza Safari and get some lunch and try the new pumpkin chai cupcake. The cupcake was a hard pass, but now we're going to go watch Festival of the Lion King. Festival of the Lion King was amazing, and now we're heading into Rafiki's Planet Watch. We did the animation experience and drew Ed the hyena, and now we came to the petting zoo here at Rafiki's Planet Watch. The weather has been absolutely perfect today, ranging from the high 60s to the low 70s here in Animal Kingdom. We are now headed into Dino Land. That's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for hanging out with us here in Animal Kingdom, and we'll see you real soon here on Dixons Destinations.